Hey everybody, what's up? Hope everybody's having a great holiday time right now. Holiday time. So today we're gonna get straight to the point. I am reviewing this ISHOW hair wig that I made a controversial. I don't think it's controversial. One of my most viewed videos was on this wig and how ISHOW's hair has scammed me out of this wig. But they didn't though. I got to keep the wig. I did contact the company, and my multiple attempts to contact them asked to return the wig and what address I could return the wig to. And the address that they had on my dispute was like a string of numbers and words that I didn't understand. And there was like one part that was like 7th floor, and I was like, okay, of what? So there's no place for me to really send the wig back to, and I did dispute it with my bank, and I did get my money back. As you can see through all the comments, I did describe that. So if you are looking for my experience in purchasing this wig and the bad experience I did have with this company, you can refer back to that video. I will put it somewhere over there, or in the description box, so look for that there. And this wig that I am reviewing here is, let's pull this up, ISHOW Highlight Wig Brown Colored Human Hair Wigs, 13x4, 13x6, ombre straight lace front highlight wig. Basically, it's a highlight wig. And the total amount that I did pay for this wig is $186.70. And it is 24 inches, or should be 24 inches, which you can see my annoyance with the length on my other video from before. I did an unboxing review initially for this video. This is my review of putting this wig on and having it on for about 2 or 3 days. So to start off, the pros about this wig, because there are some pros. I'm not gonna say everything was horrible, and a lot of things are horrible. I'm not gonna say like everything 100% was bad, because it wasn't. This hair is like, I love this color. I will start off by saying that. This color is beautiful. The layers of color, the highlight streaks, pretty much everything I wanted when I sought out a highlight wig. I will say that the blonde is pretty bright. I don't know if you guys can tell. So if you're looking for a pretty pigmented colored wig, you know, not too bad, not too shabby. But I feel like the blonde could be a little less blonde. Now, with that being said, it also straightens pretty well. I'm not too disappointed about how it straightened. Most of what I'm disappointed by, so that was the pros. There was like 2 pros. One of the things I was most disappointed by in this wig were the flyaways. Man, like when I initially put this wig on, I did a ball cap method, and then I used Ghost Bond glue to lay it down. I had to take that off today because I put too much glue on it, so you know that like it just was crumbling and sticking everywhere, and I was like, I cannot go on a camera like this. These girls will eat me up in the comments. So I took it off, took the glue off, and then just applied it with Got To Be spray. Am I applying? Y'all have no idea how many flyaways I plucked out of this wig, how many flyaways I've like sprayed to tame down. Like I took a hot comb, it was like all throughout my head. Most of putting this wig on was dealing with the flyaways. And I almost don't even want to ever wear this wig outside of this middle part that I currently have in, because if I were to do a side part or a other side part or a ponytail or something else to switch it up, I would have to deal with those flyaways all over again on another side of my head, because they were everywhere. What I did to get these flyaways down as best as possible, I'm not sure if you guys can see any flyaways right now. Probably so, like around the front areas or the side areas. You can also see what I mean, fresh out the box, no product, no anything, on that video that I mentioned before. In addition to the flyaways, which I had to actually retame every single day. So the first day I put it on, flyaways. Second day I put it on, still more flyaways. And today, when I reapplied it again, flyaways. Also, another con was that this hair, like I said, does straighten pretty well. And it's soft when it's straightened. I will give it that. But when it starts to get tangled, baby, girl, you can start to feel the bleach crispiness. I don't know if that makes any sense, but you can start to feel how the bleach has hardened the hair, which is understandable. If you bleach hair, it's not gonna have that same exact texture as raw hair. I get that. And I also understand what I'm paying for. I know that, or what I did pay for. I knew it was coming from Aliexpress. I know it's a cheaper wig. I know wigs of this length typically go like for $300 plus. I'm aware of that. So I know that with Aliexpress, I'm getting a slightly less quality, but like, y'all, I was right to want to send this wig back. I was right to want a refund. This wig is bad. It's poorly made because this hair is looking nice and soft and cute because I literally just flat ironed it 15 minutes ago. But baby, throughout the day, when it starts to get tangled and matted up in here, oh, I'm itching. I need a ponytail holder stat because I gotta put it up because I'm tired of it touching my neck. Like it's too itchy. It's too hard and too wispy, like I said before. Girl, first of all, this wig is so thin, y'all. I'm saying first of all after I just named like 6 things, but this wig is so thin. This is half the wig. This is half the wig. Like, this is the wig all together. And even though I've had it in for a few days, so it's not fresh, it's pretty fresh. Like after a few days, like it shouldn't be starting to the hair shouldn't be starting to like coagulate. It should still have a fluffy, fresh look. I mean, in my experience of wearing wigs for a minute, it should still like just, you know, be flying all over the place. But I was doing a photo shoot a few days ago with this wig on, and I had to use so much product on the top of my head for the flyaways that like I was trying to do a hair flip in one of the videos, and like only the hair on the bottom was moving because I had to use so much product for the flyaways. That was a big con to me. And also the wig is so thin that if you move in certain areas, you can see the tracks. I don't know. I tried my best to cover it up today, but I don't know if you can see any tracks over here. But in my experience, the part where the frontal was sewn into the rest of the tracks for the rest of the wig, that was showing on camera, and so I didn't love that. This bitch shedding like a dog. Like, I don't know. There's hair on my leg right now. There's 2 strands right there, but earlier today, I was cooking, hair in my food, hair on the counter, hair on my clothes, and I've only worn this wig for like 3 days. Hair all in the sink, all on the floor, gotta sweep every day. One of my last few cons about this wig is that I did complain about the length. So here is where the front sits on my head. This is 24 inches from the front. I want the front to at least go like, you know, like here. Whereas, and this is all the hair pulled to the front of my head. This bottom is going here, close to my belly button. If I flip it around to the back, you can see that it's like around the back, but it's so thin that like you can't even really see the length. I don't know. Like when I first put this wig on, I turned around to see how long it would be down my back, and like you could barely see the length because it's so thin. And in my initial purchase of this wig, it did say it was supposed to be 150 density. Y'all, this is not 150 density. I have a 150 density wig. This is not 150 density. I know this is a common thing for these Aliexpress companies to be lying about the density. They definitely lied about this one. Good. I did not bleach the knots because they seem already pretty bleached. It's a bleached wig. So I didn't even really put any foundation on the lace either. It was a medium brown lace. The lace is pretty hard and pretty scratchy. By day 2, I was ready to take the wig off because it was like itching my forehead. So I will say that the lace was pretty thick as well. Yeah, I'm sorry y'all. It's not a good review, but this is what it looks like on the side. This is the other side. Should you guys want to see, this is how the wig held up for me. Disclaimer, I bought everything with my own money. Nothing was sponsored. And I saw in the comments of my other video of initially unboxing this one, a lot of people had, unfortunately, a lot of people had the same experience with this company. And I think that's saying something. That I don't think I overreacted about it. And I don't think that I'm in the wrong for saying this is a bad wig, poorly constructed, thin, wispy, shedding everywhere, hair gets tangly quickly. Yeah, that's my review of this wig. Do not buy it. I'm gonna say that with a smile on my face. Do not buy it, and don't shop with their company. I'm sorry. If you do, buyer beware. It's all on you. It's a risk. Life is a gamble. You never know. But I would not. Now, I will be back later this week or very soon after I post this video with another wig review. I've been doing some shopping. I went on Amazon and I got an Amazon wig. Y'all, I'm so cheap. I'm so cheap. AliExpress, Amazon, drugstore, makeup. If you don't have $1 to spend, come to my channel because I will do the research for you. I will risk it all for you. Unfortunately, because I will try to find a sale, honey. I will try to find something cheap. Now, I bought this wig on Amazon and it was on Black Friday. So they were having a Black Friday sale on this wig. Jaja hair. I think I paid like $48 for a 12-inch water wave wig, 4x4. So if you would like to see what it looks like in my review of it, in my unboxing and me putting it on, then stay tuned. Ding that notification bell for that new video coming up so you'll be notified when I release it. All right, guys, thank you so much. I am signing out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later. See you soon.